This is a what's in the box video for Fog of Love. It's a two-player game. I guess I think you can maybe even play it as four. No, only two players. And you notice the cover may be different. There's a few different style covers. They're all the same game. They're just different relationships that are in the box. So, and it does take 1 to 2 hours to play. So that's I guess the only disappointing thing is I wish it was more of a straight 60-minute game. The box does slide out, which is, I guess, unique for a board game. So let's take a look and see what's inside. So you have the instructions. And it's more of like, I guess, a romantic comedy game. The guy that designed it so that his wife would basically play board games with him. That's from my understanding. So we have a board here. I'll say one thing is I really like the art design on this. I like how it's very like it's very cohesive, I think, and it's a good design for the game. There's different packs that come with it. High School Sweethearts. We give it a year, and I know what I want. So these, I guess, are the like the story that you're going through. There's different sweet drama deck, sweet deck cards. There's some mini cards, feature deck. I forget exactly what they do. Occupation deck. I think you get to choose occupations, and trait deck. There's some tokens here, and this is a pretty nice organizer, I'll say. These are weighted poker tokens, so they're not just cheap. There's some trays for storing the bits, which I think are in here, yeah. So there's these little pink and blue bits for players, which don't necessarily mean man or woman, they're just pink or blue. And they have little stands for your cards, which is nice to include. So I think the production quality is really good. One thing to keep in mind is this is exclusive to Walmart at this time. So they've been trying to jump more on the kind of hobby board game market, and this is one of the exclusives they got. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. This is a look at Fog of Love. If you like this video, please take a look at our other videos and please subscribe.